I'll be talking about polar vectors. So, like now, from the terms, we both know, like we all know the meaning of vectors, like having magnitude and direction. And we know polar to be like pole, like assigned to one area and having a negative side, like magnet and everything. So we have positive direction, we have the negative direction, we can have x, we can have y. So now what polar vectors majorly mean is that vectors that have displacement, not distance. There's a difference between displacement and distance. Displacement is when something moves from one point to another, like just from one point of region to another point of region. If you go like this distance now, all your movements like this to this point, that is the distance. But when we talk about the displacement, it's just from here to here, the distance between this place and this place. That is displacement. Then you have magnitude. Magnitude is like how much, that is from here to there. Maybe let's just say it's 5 centimeter. How much distance from here to here? That's what magnitude is. And then we have direction. Direction. So now take for instance, you have something like this, right? You have something like this. Now this is a Cartesian plane in the sense that you have y here and you have x here. So this is the negative side. This is the positive side. This is positive side and this is negative side. So now from this point of region, from the origin point. So let's say like a vector is displaced to this point. So when it's displaced to this point, that's what the direction is from this line, which is 0 degree. So here can be, let me say, 30 degree and 45 degree. So now what's this place to this place will be the magnitude, and displacement in this sense means from here to here. Now it could have been that I moved like this, like when you're walking through Futa, basically now you move from one point to another, right? So and in some cases, you could just, like, let me just say, pop over to where you're going to, but because of the way the construction of the surrounding is and everything, so you have to move before you come to your position. So that's the like meaning of displacements in difference, in contrast to distance. So this is the basic idea about polar vectors. There are vectors that have pole. So now a vector could be here, a vector could be here, in direction from the origin point. So this Cartesian plane doesn't necessarily reveal it in 3 dimensions. It's just more of like 2 dimensions. So I believe this is like enough to understand the major concept. Sha. So you guys should just share the video to everybody generally and everything.